When it comes to household cleaners, terms like sanitizer, disinfectant, or antimicrobial are often used to describe them. But how do you know what these terms really mean? And more importantly, how do they describe the ways in which they can be used effectively? The truth is, there are some really important distinctions between the types of products we use to clean and maintain the surfaces in our homes. An antimicrobial is any product that kills or slows the spread of harmful microorganisms like bacteria and viruses. Sanitizers usually work very quickly, some instantly, to kill most bacteria on contact. Sanitizers are also safer for use on areas where there is contact with food. However, sanitizers are not effective against viruses, and generally, they will not help to prevent future growth of any microorganism. Disinfectants, on the other hand, are capable of killing bacteria as well as most viruses. All disinfectants generally take time to work and must stay on a surface long enough to effectively kill germs. The times can vary based on strength and application. This is what makes a multi-action or two-step formula so great for proper disinfecting, especially one that is both a disinfectant and an antimicrobial. The combination of these two products allows users to effectively kill and prevent the future growth of harmful microorganisms. The strength and overall effectiveness of any antimicrobial solution varies from product to product and across different applications. For use in hospitals and homes, the advanced formula of MicroGold's multi-action disinfectant antimicrobial spray is the clear choice. It's the first and only EPA-approved multi-action solution and is proven to kill 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, including the virus that causes COVID-19. MicroGold's unique technology, based on a Si-Quat Antimicrobrial technology, is what makes the multi-action disinfectant antimicrobial spray so effective. For maximum germ protection on your home's hard, non-porous surfaces, check out the advanced formula of MicroGold Multi-Action Disinfectant Antimicrobial Spray.